Hey my friends, this is Daniel Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about the biggest mistake that poor people make. First of all, I want to let you know that POUR stands for passing over opportunities regularly, because that's exactly what poor people do. And if you want to hear the rest of this video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that notification button, because not only will you get to the end of this video, but you'll be ready to hear the other upcoming videos, and I promise you they will change your life. So please listen up. Alright, the biggest mistake that poor people make is that they talk themselves out of success instead of talking themselves into success. Now, what I'm basically saying is that a lot of times people really believe that they can do something. Otherwise, they would never set themselves out to do it. However, once they start to work on the progress, they start to face some obstacles along the way. And once they see these challenges, they start to feel discouraged. Even worse than this, they might have people in their life, they might have family, friends, neighbors, even their spouse tell them that they can't do it and that they should quit. But my friends, what I want to tell you is that you need to think big. You need to remember why you started and keep that same energy that you had once you began. Now, the only reason why you should legitimately give up is if you know this plan is not going to work out. Now, a lot of people might be asking, well, Daniel, you know what? I like my plan, but I just don't know if it's going to work out in the long term. Now, if you see all the signs that it's not going to work out, then give up. But if you know deep down in your heart that you set out to do something special, and you know it's right, then make it happen. Look, you don't have to focus on all the things that are going wrong. What you need to do is to focus on all the things that are going strong. Don't put yourself in a position where you're always negative, where you're always cynical, where you're always skeptical. Put yourself in a position of faith. Put yourself in a position where you can believe. Put yourself in a position where you can see your purpose and your prosperity. Let me tell you something I never shared with anyone else. When I started my YouTube channel, it was increasingly hard. I was the first YouTuber who was actually teaching the lessons I'm still teaching today. So as you can imagine, it was pretty discouraging. Not only was I working extremely hard on producing my videos, when I would publish them, it wasn't getting the kind of views that I thought they should be getting. I remember years ago when I would hit that publish button, a few hours would go by, and I would look at the views and it would only say 3, 5, 10, 12, and I would think, man, am I ever going to reach thousands of people on YouTube? But then I realized that my purpose was greater than me. I'm not just going to quit because the views aren't coming in the way I wanted them to. I was going to make sure that I became better so that I can equip others like I wanted to. You see, I didn't talk myself out of quitting. I talked myself into winning. Instead of thinking about all the things that were going wrong, I focused on all the things that were going strong. My lighting was improving. I sounded better. I was able to talk without a stutter. And there were so many things to monitor and improve upon in those days, in those months, and in those years. But now we're here. My friends, this is Daniel Aldie. I want you to know that you have what it takes. You have everything you need in order to succeed. So you cannot give up on your dreams. You have to be able to push harder, to push faster, to ask for help, to invest more money into who you want to become, and eventually you're gonna get there. Remember, if you believe in yourself, everyone else will believe in you too. So believe in your dreams, my friends, and continue to follow them consistently. I just shared with you the biggest mistake that poor people make. If you want to avoid it, continue to talk yourself into success and stop talking yourself out of success. If you focus on who you need to be, then you never have to worry about conforming to society. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and share this video with someone else who really needs it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.